Hi, I'm Sue Walker, and I'm going to show you a diabetic cookie recipe. To make a diabetic cookie, you will need to use a sugar substitute, such as Splenda. This recipe is for sugar cookies. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. The ingredients are 1/2 cup of butter, 3/4 cup Splenda, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 1/2 cups of flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar. This recipe makes about 2 dozen cookies. We'll start by creaming the butter and Splenda together. Now we'll add the egg and the vanilla and mix together. Mix all of your dry ingredients together first and then add to your batter. Now comes the easy part. Take a spoonful of batter and roll it into a ball. Place it on your ungreased cookie sheet. Once you have your cookie sheet full, you take a glass and spray the bottom with a non-stick cooking spray. You press down on each ball of dough to make a round, flat cookie. Place your cookies in a preheated 350-degree oven and bake for 10 to 12 minutes. And that is a diabetic cookie recipe.